show you how you can navigate through Google Slides with this an opinion essay assignment we have this week. So the first thing you'll want to do, you can either click here on the slides or you can click on View Assignment. I'm going to go ahead and just click on the slides right now to open it. And when it loads, you'll notice that some of the slides are pretty small, so I like to go up to View once it all loads and View Full Screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click View and Full Screen just to make it a little bit larger. So you'll notice our question this week is, do you think kids your age should have smartphones? Write a paragraph explaining why you think this is a good or bad idea. And as you navigate through these slides, you're going to brainstorm, organize, do a first draft, edit, revise, and then a final draft. So it'll be a good thing for you just to look through each of the slides before you get started. Go ahead and read through them. At the end, you'll notice that we do have a rubric for you so that you can check to make sure you're on track. Of course, we're always aiming for a 4 for advanced or 3 for proficient. So focus on these columns right here when you read through it. We also have a linking words slide that would be like what we talk about in class being transition words. So to transition into your details to support your topic. This slide number 5, is where you can do your final draft, type in your final draft. So let me go back up to the top and just show you how to type into these slides. Each of these sections has a text box, so if you just click right here, you'll see the text box pops up and then I can start to type. So I can say actually this page is just a brainstorm, so maybe I would make a little bulleted list and kind of brainstorm some of my ideas, or if you wanted to print this out and write some ideas and brainstorm, you could too. I'm going to go to the next slide, and same thing here. If you just want to type in the text box, click it. So I'm going to say, I strongly believe that children my age should not have smartphones. And of course, you can have the opposite opinion as well. So as you go through, you can give your supporting reasons. Just click on each text box. One thing I did notice is that you may accidentally go to delete something, like if I want to come up here and fix something, at some point you may accidentally delete this text box. If you notice that it goes away, you can just go, I'm going to hit escape right now to get out of full view, and you can go to Insert and text box here. So if your text box ever disappears, this is where you'll want to put another text box in there, okay? So again, you're going to go through each of these slides and just type in those text boxes. You can even copy from here when you've done your rough draft. You can copy it into the next page. Do copy, you can go to Edit and then copy your text, select all your text, copy it, and then paste it into the next slide. When you're all finished, this automatically saves for you. So you can just close your Google Slides, and you don't need to do this all in one day. I would suggest maybe reading it and brainstorming the first day, and then the second day coming up with your reasons. Maybe on Wednesday you want to do your rough draft, and then edit and revise. It would be great to edit and revise with a parent as well. And then maybe by Friday type in your final draft. And then also on this final draft, you could also insert a picture up here too, because it says use the space above for an illustration. So if you want to download a picture of something that would go with your paragraph and insert that there. So when you're done with all of this, you can go up to the top and just close the slides. And then I'm going to click on View Assignment. And when you think you're all finished, you're going to click Turn In here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Turn In. Make sure you have read through everything and double checked it, have a parent read through it and revise it with you before you turn it in. So I'm going to hit Turn In, and then if I think maybe I need to work on a little more, I could cancel it, or if I think I'm for sure done, then I can go ahead and hit Turn In, and then that will come to me and I'll let you know how you did on your writing. I'll give you some feedback. Okay, I hope you guys are having a great week. See you soon. Bye.